I like beginning by bringing a comparison between LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Should you use also Facebook? Of course, the presentation is not about Facebook, but let's think about it, right? So should you use Facebook as a professional tool as well? Who does that? You should. You should, because if you also have LinkedIn, if you have consistency across all the social networks, your reach, it's way higher. And Facebook is also a professional tool. Facebook tries every day to become a LinkedIn, and LinkedIn tries every day to become a more personal tool. So the question goes on the other way now. Should you post personal things to LinkedIn? You should. If you travel, or if you have that nice dinner after an interview, or if you are with friends during the weekend, go there, of course. Measure the results of doing this. Don't be a person who is only posting those things there, but show people some lifestyle. Show people that you have a life. You're not only chasing a job or chasing a sale, you also have a life. You also travel. Hello. Good morning. I guess there's a seat right there. Yeah. So yes, say if you can bring consistency for all these networks, even Twitter, it's faster, it's more like a news feed kind of things. But I will show you today here a few things about things that you should be doing on LinkedIn, and these will make more sense for you, all right? How you can leverage the same professionalism across all at least the major professional networks, okay? I like establishing a process for LinkedIn that it's threefold, right? Profile optimization, content authoring, and constant engagement. You won't do the engagement until we have a very good profile on LinkedIn. You won't do the authoring without having a good profile. So invest first on your profile. So we will split our presentation today on those three major topics, okay? And see a few points, bits and pieces on those three aspects here. But if you think about a strategy for using LinkedIn effectively to yourself, think about profile, authoring, and engagement. And then we will see what that means.